Hello everyone, we are from group 10. Before we start presentation, let us introduce ourselves. Well, starting with me. My name is Alfitri Nurila and our team consists of Rina Setio Winarni, Sri Cahyaningsih, Tri Supraptiningsih, Seri Indah, and Putri Deliana Pratiwi. At the material we presentation is nursing diagnosis. Let's get started.
Thank you, Kak Al. Nursing diagnosis. Conversation, diagnosing a new patient. Language focus, simple present, simple past, and present future tense. Exercise. Exercise on simple present, simple past, and present future tense. Heading text. Next, Kak. Kak Cici?
Ya, siap.
Ya.
Ya, good morning, Dok.
Conversation, diagnosing a new patient. Silakan Kak Cici.
Ya, good morning, Dok.
Good morning, Mr. Smith.
Yes, I am.
All right, sit down, please. What seems to be the problem?
Okay, thank you. Feel very sweaty and nauseous, Doc. I also shivered and got a bad headache.
Do you feel very?
Yes, Doc. I feel very too.
Did you do any blood transfusion recently?
No, I didn't.
Did you probably spend the night in a malaria endemic place?
Yeah, actually, I did. I spent the night there for around a week for research.
Okay, I see.
Is that something serious, Doc?
We will know more after you do some tests in the lab. Once you have finished the test, you can come back here and we can know more after the result.
Okay, Doc. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Yes. Example of expression in diagnosing physician. English, your test result have come in. Indonesia, hasil tes Anda telah keluar. You have a long road to recovery. Butuh waktu lama untuk pemulihan. We have several options to discuss. Ada beberapa opsi yang perlu kita bicarakan atau kita diskusikan. The blood test come back negative. Hasil tes darah menyatakan negatif. The transfusion was a success. Transfusinya berjalan lancar dan berhasil. It look like you're ready to go home. Sepertinya Anda sudah dapat pulang. You need to be here overnight. Anda perlu rawat inap semalam lagi. Next. Next, Kak Putri.
Aku ya, Kak?
Yes, Kak Tri.
Makasih, Kak Cici. Example of expression in diagnostic patient. In English, I don't understand what this means. Saya tidak paham apa artinya ini. I am going to need surgery. Apakah saya perlu dioperasi? Is it good news or bad? Berita baik atau buruk? When will test result come in? Kapan hasil tesnya keluar? How long do I have to stay in the hospital? Berapa lama saya harus dirawat di rumah sakit? What is the success rate? Bagaimana tingkat kesuksesannya? Are they going to run more tests? Apakah mereka akan melakukan tes lagi? Is this a common problem for people my age? Apakah ini masalah yang umum bagi orang-orang seumur seperti saya? Didn't like to discuss the other option. Saya akan membicarakan option lainnya. I am going to get a second opinion. Saya perlu mendapatkan opini dari pihak lain. Selanjutnya Bu Seri.
Nursing diagnosis. A nursing diagnosis is one of nursing process. It is a medical judgment about individual, actual and potential health problem. It also examines a problem response with present during assessment. The North American Nursing Diagnosis Association, or NANDA, a body of professional nurse manages a official list of nursing diagnosis. The following is some example list from NANDA nursing diagnosis. NANDA nursing diagnosis example: deficiency community health, kurangnya kesehatan masyarakat, risk for neonatal jaundice, resiko penyakit kuning pada bayi, risk for ineffective peripheral tissue perfusion, resiko ketidakefektifan perfusi sekitar jaringan. Next. Functional urinary incontinency, fungsi urin, disfungsional gastrointestinal motility, gangguan motilita gastrointestinal, disturbed sleep pattern, gangguan pola tidur, impaired physical mobility, gangguan mobilitas fisik, activity intolerance, ketidaktoleransian aktivitas, ineffective peripheral tissue perfusion, ketidakefektifan perfusi jaringan perifer. Putri, masih lanjut ya Putri ya?
Maaf tadi aku kayaknya kelewat deh.
Iya.
Ini.
Lanjut Putri.
Dan aku yang lanjut ya.
Iya.
Ya. Nanda Nursing Diagnosis. Domain 1, Health Promotion or pendidikan kesehatan. Risk prone behavior, risiko perilaku kesehatan rawan. Ineffective health maintenance, ketidakefektifan perawatan kesehatan. Domain 2, Nutrition or nutrisi. Imbalance nutrition, less than body requirement. Ketidakseimbangan nutrisi, kurang dari yang dibutuhkan oleh tubuh. Imbalance nutrition, more than body requirement. Ketidakseimbangan nutrisi, lebih dari yang dibutuhkan oleh tubuh. Risk for electrolyte imbalance, resiko ketidakseimbangan elektrolit.